I have a small one to share. So let me get the stuff out of the way. So I've been working with Richard's help this week on allowing us to take long header text and truncate it so that we can have a little bit more compact tables. So you'll see that we truncate both view names and field names. When you hover over them, you should get a little like pop-up that will show what the full value is. And if there happens to be a field description there, we also will tuck that in and show you the full name with the description in there. But we also, I think the tricky part here is making sure we truncate, but we keep some of these icons around like sorting. So you can see when we sort, we'll still truncate, keep those visible. Yeah, just another little thing that to help make the tables a little more compact, and a few little bugs to figure out there, but should hopefully go out early next week.
Are we gonna make this default?
We're talking about it, yeah, I think so. I think Ariel and I were talking about whether or not we want to just play with it a little, see if we got the right column widths to make it the default, and see what happens with a lot of stuff. Truncating to like multiple lines maybe will be a separate thing that we will look at to see if it just is a lot trickier with stuff like the hover to get the text to pop up, some of those things, but we'll see.
One thing to consider might be like a quick icon in the Excel toolbar so people could toggle it in the front end. I feel like then it's just completely non-risky to actually swap it if someone has like a one-click change back.
Oh, yeah. I think we do need a little look at the like what's in that toolbar. Right now it's just everything is column based there, so we probably have a little
that's a good point.
Little like I think organizational stuff to do around hey, this stuff impacts the table, this stuff impacts the individual columns. It would be nice to have some of the stuff like toolbarified.
Yeah, and like the width changers. That's a good flag.
And we have some other things like that which like it would be nice to have in that toolbar, like auto size all the columns, some of these gestures that we wanted to have triggers for, but there's some complexity there with making like full table adjustments and things like that versus individual column stuff. So
yeah.